Happy Tuesday. How you guys doing today? Hopefully good because shop is flying. Let's see how it's gonna react to 68. So for today, like always, you guys have my watch list on my Discord. The link is down below. I'm watching same levels on Microsoft and Nvidia, same levels from yesterday. Same thing with Disney. Apple, yesterday's low is a key level that we want to see Apple holding again. And FDX, I will say it's one of my main watches today. I want to see this happening. I want to see FDX retesting 302.50. If we can have that, that's a beautiful buy the dip opportunity. Break and retest is that. And shop is flying. It's at 68. Shop needs to hold 68. 68 is a key level. Key level for shop to hold. Damn. My account is up 72% only because of shop. Oh, and GME flying also. Whoa. Raise your hand if you have shop with me and GME. GameStop. Palantir was downgraded. We want to see Palantir holding 28. Let's see GameStop. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that beautiful thing. Like it's about to hit my my PT 29. It's at 28. That was pretty much my PT. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. I hope you guys were patient with me. Look at this. We bought it here, right at the bottom. Look at this. Same thing with shop. Pretty much the same thing. Shop. Look at this. We buy at the bottom. Boom. Now, shop, it's at a very key level here. Very key level here. It needs to break, I will say 69. I want to see it holding 69 as support. But I'm gonna start to lock profits on the weekly's contracts. These had bad news. Let's see. Okay guys, shop, very important level here. Let's see this. It's not that bad. It's not doing much. The key level is 96. We want to see Disney holding this support here. It's between 96, 95.40. That's the level I want to see Disney holding. That's why, and I know it might take some time. That's why I bought it for next week, not for this week. Yeah, 69. It's going for 69 shop. Meanwhile, SPA and the Q are between support and resistance, so nothing to trade here. Nothing to trade here unless we get near to any support or resistance. Microsoft is right at my level of my entry level. So, but it's not looking too strong. But again, as long as Microsoft holds Friday's low, yesterday's low, Thursday low, I'm in. Okay. Nvidia, same levels also from yesterday. So if it keeps holding 27, 28, that might be a good entry also. And shop, I want to see it holding the VWAP and breaking 69. Palo Alto needs to break 346.50. Okay, so we have SPY near yesterday high, that's Friday high. Let's see how it's gonna react to 564. We had a hard, very strong reaction yesterday around that level. Shopify rejecting 64. Let's see if it's gonna hold the VWAP. Nvidia 127, 128 is holding. It's looking pretty bullish. Look at the daily, guys, on Nvidia. I'm getting 130 for Nvidia next week. I think Nvidia, if keeps holding to yesterday's low, Friday's low, it could go to in a few days to 136. My stop loss is gonna be I would say yesterday's low. Shopify is fighting that 68 level. We want to see it holding the VWAP, but it's rejecting there. Let's see. If it can really hold the VWAP or 68, I think we're gonna go higher today. It's fighting there. I don't use any SMA. You don't need that. It has a clear resistance there, so you don't need any SMA to tell you that. But 100, 200 SMA is a very strong, those are very strong moving average. 100, especially the 200. Palantir trying to hold 28, but it's looking very weak. Thank you for the likes. Thank you. Hopefully you guys made some money with GameStop and Shop. Shop is still fighting there. It's trying to hold. Kind of rejecting the VWAP, but it's fighting there. It's doing the same thing that the Q is doing. If the Q goes lower, let's see how it's gonna react again to 496. Is Palo Alto close or near my stop loss? That's my answer. Okay, I like that hold on shop. It's holding the VWAP, holding 68. Looks like it's bouncing very strongly. Beautiful, beautiful bounce. Yep. I want to see it breaking 69. It looks like it's flagging. Shop looks like it's flagging. Yeah. Doing pretty good. What direction am I on Microsoft? What type of question is that, Donnie? You have my answer on my Discord. On my pre-market plan. The Dow is like so strong. Same thing with the Russell. I guess it's their time because SPY and the Q it's been up so much the past few weeks that it's time for the small caps and non-tech related stocks. Yeah, I'm trading futures. Let's see if Tradeaway should be working. Let's see. Yep. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, I'm trading futures. It's just SPY and the Q right now are in the middle of nowhere. I needed for SPY and the Q to be either at support or at resistance. But for SPY, I want to see how it's gonna react to 564 and the Q 496. The Q is looking pretty, definitely weaker than SPY. Apple is going lower, Meta is going lower, Nvidia also is looking weak now. Again, if Nvidia loses yesterday's low, I'm out. I'm gonna put 20, let's just say 27, right? I'm gonna go with Friday's low, 27. But I could, honestly, I kinda don't for today because shop made me so much money that is like, it's ridiculous. I had over 50 contracts on shop. now I'm only holding, let's see, 22, 24. It was too cheap. Shop was very, very cheap. No, shop was cheap. It was like, no, the 68 contracts were like 17 bucks yesterday. And the 65 were like 120 or something like that. And I kept buying the dip. If you're not on shop, I will wait until it breaks 69. Like it really breaks and holds 69. And I will buy a lot of time to play the gap above. Because it's breaking 68, right? But it's still kind of like holding there, fighting there. It could still give us an ugly reaction. But so far, it's looking pretty bullish. Palo Alto is still dancing around 27 and 29, I will say. Palantir holding 28, which is what we want to see. Disney holding 97. I want to see Disney holding above 96, 95.50. And I also bought a lot more Disney yesterday on that dip. Look at this. Spy fighting there. That's 564 is the level that I'm looking to play on Spy. If I see an ugly reaction, just like yesterday here. Look at this reaction here. Same thing with 500 on the Q. And if the Q goes lower again to 496 and stays there and holds just like yesterday, I'm playing long. Well, I have the yearly pass on Disney, so I don't really need it, but I don't know. I guess if you have enough Disney that it pays you with their dividends, it's technically free. I've been, like, lately I've been talking about this, but I'm gonna talk about this again. The Spy, especially tech, the big, like, top 10 tech business, like, stocks, are up so much that right now it's not even worth it to trade those things. Go for small caps, everything on the Dow that it has a good setup, and that it have not made any like near all-time high in the past few days. Or if you see consolidation near all-time high, go for those one that is not tech. I like this consolidation hold on shop. It's holding 68, it's holding the VWAP. Kinda not doing much, but it's consolidating, so that's healthy. So again, as long as it keeps holding, I will say 68 or the VWAP, I'm very bullish on shop. Nvidia is looking pretty weak. Same thing with Microsoft, Meta, the Q. That might not help shop. Okay, so Nvidia, I'm gonna stop out of Nvidia. I don't like how weak it is there. Microsoft is still holding. Okay, so the Q, it's about to lose. Looks like it wants to go to 495.50 maybe. But this looks kind of like a weird head and shoulder. Same thing with the SPY here. This 30-minute candle is very bearish on SPY. What gap? I don't see any gap on the Q. Where? I don't see a gap on the Q. SPY does have a gap here, but I don't see a gap on the Q. I like this 30-minute reaction there on SPY. I just don't know if I want to go short here because it's kind of far for futures. It's far from the 564 level, but I like this 30-minute reaction. I'm gonna go short here on SPY. Microsoft. Getting out of Microsoft also. I'm gonna say my stop loss is gonna be this high or maybe this high, depends how strong it bounces. Most likely I'm gonna go for this little gap here, maybe till 562. Let's see. Yeah, Nvidia very weak, Apple very weak, Microsoft very weak. Same thing with Meta. Meta is losing Friday's low. That's a big level for Meta. Friday's low, yesterday's low. It's around 493, 494. Yeah, let's see how it's gonna react to 562. I'm gonna take a little bit of profits here. Palantir looks like it wants to go to 27. The Q looks very, very weak, but it's near yesterday's low. 494. How it's gonna react to 494? Let's see. And SPA is trying to hold here. Nvidia crazy weak. Apple also, but it's still above the 233 level. Shopee is holding very good. Same thing with Disney. Disney is going. Disney is bullish, very bullish. Okay, looking beautiful. Come on, give me 562. Nvidia very, very weak. SPY fighting here. I don't like that. I'm out. Do we have any data today? I forgot to watch that, to check out that. Whoa, we're moving fast now. It's bouncing weird. Today's Tuesday, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, 10 we had home builders, and in the afternoon we have one Fed speaking, Adriana. That doesn't matter. I'll be out. CAD? I missed CAD. I was looking to trade CAD around, what was the level? Let me check the level. 336. It's too late for me. That was the level that I wanted to enter CAD. That thing is gone. Looks like it wants to go to 364. Well, still has like 10 more points to go above 350. If can hold 350, that's another entry to go long on CAD. Again, like I said, guys, everything that is not tech related, that it has a good setup, most likely are gonna move. It's time for not tech stocks or small caps tech. TQQ lost, yeah, 494. SPY, like I said, 562 is the level to watch. If it loses 562, 561.50, the next one is yesterday's low. SPY still trying to hold. Yes, it's bearish, but it's fighting there. It's like going very, very slow. I don't know what's going on with SPY. Maybe, like I said, non-tech related stocks are holding very good. That's why SPY is not moving lower. And the weakness is on the tech side. So if we see Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Meta are all bearish. I haven't checked any other sectors like energy, health, financials. Maybe those ones are holding or being bullish, and maybe that's why SPY is holding so good. Who bought the dip with me on Siri? That thing, so easy, so cheap. That's free money, pretty much. Disney going. Disney. Apple. Apple is right at my level. Let's see if Apple is gonna hold there. I talked about this level on Apple. I talked about it here on the stream yesterday. That's pretty much Thursday, Wednesday, and Friday's high. It's acting as support now. Last week was resistance for 3 days. So 233, 232.40, around there. That's the level we want to see Apple holding. Yeah, 100 and then 100, 104. But yeah, mainly 100. That's my main PT on Disney. I don't know if that's gonna happen this week. That's why I bought my contract for next week. I have a little bit for this week. I just knew, like I kind of knew Disney was a very good deal to just buy the dip at this level, at 96, 97. SPY is still holding above 562. Kind of tempting me to go long here, but I don't feel like it. TSM. Awesome, thank you, Donnie. Look at that, look at Disney. The mouse is moving. Look at Disney. 98. It's been rejecting 98 for a few days, the past few days, so it needs to break that. $4.94 is holding on the Q. That's yesterday's low. And it has kind of like a weird head and shoulder still. But SPY, it's holding too good here. Apple holding 233. $2K, that's awesome. I will say the past like 10 days, trading days, I have not been so lucky with futures, but with options, those swings are being, like especially CRM and Shop, I made so much money with those two, especially CRM. I was over 700% on CRM. And the good thing is, because I'm using Apex, I'm not losing money when I have a red day on futures, unless I'm blowing up accounts. But if not, I'm not losing money. At least not my own money. And I was losing paper money. And I got paid on Monday. I got my payment from Apex on Monday, so I'm doing pretty good. I won my Pickleball tournament, made a bunch of money with options. I'm feeling great. I don't think I ever take in the money. I get a little bit out of the money, and I took also out of the money with a lot of time. So everything depends how the stock move, how much time I'm buying, and what else? Yeah. So you're gonna make the most money if you buy out of the money and those contracts get in the money, but also those are the riskiest trades. So what I do is I get a little bit out of the money. Let's just say I want to buy, let's just say it's SPY, right? Let's just say I'm thinking that SPY is gonna bounce here. So if SPY is at 562 and I'm buying like a month out, I can easily buy 565, right? Like it would be very easy if, let's just say SPY is very, very bullish and I'm very, like I love this setup, right? So I will go with 565. No, let's better go with Shop. Shop is a good one. So I play Shop 2 times in like 10 days. Let's go with Shop, right? So the first trade, I bought the same contracts both time. I bought 68 and 65. So the first time I bought Shop, wait, FDX, let's see. I think I slept on FDX, yeah, too late. I was waiting for FTX to give me a pullback to 302, but instead it just opened above yesterday high, which is extremely bullish, and then just ran non-stop. So it's too late for me to jump into FTX. So let's just go with SHOP, right? How I traded this one both time, it was pretty much the same. It was exactly the same. Okay, so SHOP, you guys know that I've been talking about this setup like non-stop for like 2 weeks. Very easy setup, very clean also. The first play was kind of like this. Yeah, the first play was kind of like this, or like here, don't remember where, but whatever. So the first play was, okay, we have a head, we have a cup and handle, previous resistance acting as support. We have a very strong resistance here. What did I do? I bought 65 and 68 contracts for the 19th, and I bought that on last month. So basically I bought 1 month out, right? Because I wanted time. I knew SHOP, it could have some days that it doesn't move too much, and it's a very small stock. So if I'm going for 68, it's gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 or 5 days to go to this level here. So, and what I always say this, and that's what happens. Stocks move level by levels, right? So if this is my support and this is my resistance, most likely it's gonna go to that resistance, right? So, but we gotta buy time. So I bought a 1 month out, 65 and 64. So why? And it was around 63 when I bought it. So could I bought 63? Yes, but is it worth it? Not really, because 65 is very easy to go for SHOP to go to 65, and 68, it was way out of the money. That was more risky. So I got more 65 contracts because it was the less risky one, and I thought it was very easy for SHOP to go to that one. And then the other play, it was exactly the same thing. I bought a 65 and 68, and I knew SHOP, it was moving inside this support and resistance. So it's pretty much the same. I waited for SHOP to go lower, and I bought 65 and 68. I bought mostly 65 because, again, I knew it was very easy to go to 65, and I bought 68, a little bit of 68, because it was more risky, and I got a few for this week, but my main contracts were I have it for next month, the first week of August. Yeah, and it's exactly the same. I take some profits here, I take most of my profits here, and then I just wait and see if it's gonna break this level, and the next trade is gonna be this one. That's it. We're patient to wait because right now it looks like it's rejecting here, and it has a gap below. So what could happen? It's either gonna go back down and fill this gap, or it's gonna break 69, hold it, which is what I want to see, and then we play the gap. And then again, it's a huge gap. And how many days does kinda takes for SHOP to move? Like, how much that? $4 only. It takes like a week, right? So if I want to see SHOP making all this move, I need to buy at least 1 month out. No, I don't post my plays on my Discord. I post my plan. This is what I post on my Discord, so you know how to trade before I start the stream. You have everything that I'm looking for to trade today. So you're prepared for the stream. That's why it's so cheap. If I ever open my Discord for my plays, it will be like over $100. It's too much work. But yeah, shop was very clean. Disney, very clean. Falling wedge. Also, you guys have my levels and the falling wedge that I was looking on Disney that is playing out. And yeah, just being patient and trusting your levels. That's it. Apple is holding 233. In 2 weeks, we have a bunch of stocks that have earnings. So what happens like 2 weeks before earnings? Most of the time, 2 weeks before, we have a deep move. So we have a sell move. And then like a week or like 3 days before earnings, we have a move to the upside. But IB is gonna be high. History repeats itself. That's what most of the time happens. Nike? I don't like trading Nike, honestly. But I know Nike's had a big down move, right? Kinda looks like a falling wedge. Let's see. 70 looks like a strong support. $70 and $60 both looks like a strong support, but I don't know. Yeah, like it could be a good buy the dip opportunity. Like if you want to buy the dip on Nike, I will say just have a stop loss around 70. And my TP will be 76, 78. Uber. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to show you Nike. So this is what I see on Nike. I would like to play this gap on Nike. It's a huge gap. So I'm gonna put a alert. We have a strong resistance here. 70 was the level that I was looking, but it looks like a strong support from the past. Yeah, 70. You have here. I will say 70. So yeah, if you want to play Nike, I will say just have a stop loss around 70 and look for to take profits around, I will say 76, 75, and then the main one is 78. Let's see, Uber. Uber definitely needs to break this level. Yeah, 74. You want to see it holding strongly 74. That will be your entry. More time frames. Yeah, it could be a flag. I will just stay. I definitely still wait for 74 to hold strong. Also, the VWAP is right there. So what you want to see here is a strong daily candle closing above 74, just like FTX did with this 300 level of resistance. So you want to see something like this happening at 74 on Uber. I wanted this. I wanted a pullback, but it's too late. Apple, guys, 233 Apple. Shop. I don't like that daily candle rejection at 68, but it's still trying to hold 67. If it is confusing you, there's no reason why to trade that chart. If it is not clear, no reason why trading that one. Like, you see me so many times, like you guys said most of the time with Tesla, like watch Tesla, like what is Tesla, like check Tesla chart, and I'm going and see the chart and I say, I don't know, it's super choppy, that's why I don't trade it. But and then you guys come, Tesla is moving. I don't care if I don't understand what's doing on the bigger time frames, or if I see the chart being choppy, I just don't trade it. I don't care if it is moving. I like to trade some charts that are very clear to me on the bigger time frames, because that's how you catch big move, and that's how you have a very good risk to reward ratio. Like, you want to risk a little bit and get a lot. Yeah, Disney beautiful hold of 98. So we see the daily. We can see Disney has this little resistance here. Kinda 98 and a little bit above 98. But I like this daily candle. It's a strong bounce from the bottom. So pretty bullish. Beautiful. SPY definitely stronger than the Q. And beautiful 362 hold. there. But it's moving inside a very small range. I'm mad that I missed FTX twice. 2 times beautiful, clean setups I missed on FTX. I think I never had a losing trade on FTX, only very big wins. And FTX, if you can catch a good setup on FTX, that thing pays, and pays big. Thank you. I was very close to buy the dip here. I didn't, but yeah, that was a very clean hold here. It looks like it was an important level yesterday and also pre-market. Look at this hold here on pre-market. Look at that. Let's see if the Q can go back to 496 and use it as a support. That could be a good entry to play the upside. Shop, holding. Shop, shop. BNB. Look at this beauty. That was so clean. We bought the dip here. Look. Again, the market moves levels by level. So support, daily resistance, boom, boom. It's rejecting there. Maybe it's gonna take a few more touches to break this. Hopefully it can break this week, but if not, I took some profit here and I think it's definitely worth it taking profit here because it's a very strong level. 29, 28.50, even 29.50. It's between 28.50 and 29.50. Yeah, so this is looking pretty good. Palantir is kind of fighting there. Shopify looking pretty strong. It's looking, look at that move. Palo Alto is holding, but if we see the daily, it's just an inside consolidation day so far. Let's see what Tesla is doing. Any charts that you guys are looking for to trade? 250 could be a good hold on Tesla. I'm not gonna trade Tesla because I think it's a little bit choppy, but I definitely can see this 250 level here. Could be a good opportunity. Maybe for the rest of the week. And it has earnings next week. So yeah, we can have here a run to the upside. Well, yeah, if you can break the VWAP, could be a good entry. Tesla could be a good entry here. SPY with the same level of reaction. Let's see. But it needs to break the VWAP. Needs to break and hold the VWAP as support. TTD, let's see. Why TTD? 99 hold? Let's see. No, I will say 100. 100 is the level to hold. Watching this queue here, VWAP 496. That could be a good entry for a reaction, or if you can hold it, play to the upside. I don't know, I don't see much here on TTD, to be honest. Yeah, I know. Do you speak any Spanish? Yeah, we're like that because we're very mixed with Europeans. Let's see UPS, because FDX is moving a lot. Whoa. But it's too late. What? Uber. Let's see AMD, even though again I don't want to trade any tech. Oh, but this is a very interesting level here on AMD. 174, 172 hold. I don't want to trade any tech when it's AMD's earnings. That is in 3 weeks, right? Citi, let's see. Does Citi move? Because most of banks don't really move. Besides JP Morgan. Yeah, Citi was one. I think it's too late. But this hold here was the entry. Like 2 days, it was pretty much buy the dip type of day. This could be a flag. Or it was a flag like that. But it could be a flag. But yeah, 27, 28 was the buy opportunity. But why this thing looks like that? Oh no. Is this one or this one? Oh, it's this one. Yeah, it looks exactly the same, but yeah, that was the dip. Look, I had it as a resistance, but that was a buy. That was beautiful. Look at this beauty. That was perfect. Perfect. Here, look at this. 65. Too late. Let's see JP Morgan. I think they had earnings recently. Yeah, on Friday. Um, 207 was a very good deep buy opportunity, and then if can break this high, it's the next one. So yesterday high, today's high. That's your next entry on JP Morgan. But I think 204 was one good opportunity to buy the dip, and then here 208, 209. Yeah, but the next one is here. If you can break today's high, break and hold it, that's your next entry. Okay, 496 here in the queue. SPY 564. What a beautiful 562 hold. 233, beautiful, perfect bounce on Apple. XOM, yeah, that's oil, right? Exxon. Okay. Very choppy chart, but it kind of looks like a weird inverse head and shoulder. Let's see how's the weekly looking. That was a weekly flag. Yeah, we can do something like that, maybe. Or Megaphone. It has earnings on Friday, so there's no reason why to trade this. Unless you want a YOLO. Palantir right at 28, that's another good entry. To play Palantir. Keeps holding 28. It has earnings on 2 weeks. Yeah, it's holding 28, holding the VWAP, changing direction. Looking pretty good. Oh, let's check IWM because IWM it's been moving a lot this week. We have another reaction here on the queue. See the weekly. Ooh, okay, 222.50. It's a crazy strong resistance here on IWM. Yeah, I think it's gonna go there and reject. You have a lot of resistance here. 225, it's 225, 224. Yeah, crazy strong resistance there. The play was here, playing this resistance here. Now it's like too late. But yeah, this was the entry. Let's see how it looks on smaller time frames, like the break of 210. Oh, it just gap up above 210. Oh yeah, remember that was Friday. Yeah, and I said if it can hold this low, it's a gap and go. If it cannot hold this low, it's gonna fill the gap. Yeah, I remember that. But gap and goes are not really my forte. I don't trust them. Yeah, I don't trust gap and go, so I wouldn't be trading this, honestly. The next one was this. This was very clean, what I would take, because it breaks, hold, and then you have the run. But gaps and goes are not my cup of tea. It depends when you got filled, and also remember the fees. You pay fees every time you buy and sell a futures contract. Maybe it's that. Well, we have a very good move in the morning. Now, not so much. It's not Adriana. Why everyone is saying Adriana? It's Andrea. Yeah, thank you. Make sure to like the video. Like. Hola, José. Es Andrea, no Adriana. So yeah, we play futures. Here you can see I play futures and I swing trade options. Anyone got that Palantir play? Palantir is looking fantastic. It's moving. Look at that bounce on Tesla. 250, 248. Ooh, I like that bounce on Tesla. I like that bounce on Tesla. It's breaking the VWAP, holding the VWAP. Ooh. Tesla. When is Tesla earnings? Let's see. It's next week. Oh, I wanted to play Tesla for next week. Let's see how's the IB for those contracts. Damn. Oh well, it's 85, 86% up. 85. It's not that bad. But still very expensive. It's like over $1,000 per contract. Better to play weekly. If I can get another pullback to the VWAP and it holds, I'm entering Tesla. If not, I'm not gonna play it. Anyone play this reaction on the queue? Looks beautiful. That was very clean. Flag to the VWAP. Rejecting 496 and the VWAP. Ooh, shop at 69. Let's go shop. 69. Let's go shop. Disney flagging. If you have weeklies on Disney, the 100 contracts, this could be a good opportunity to take most of your profits. I don't like how the market is moving right now. Like, If it just bounces hard and goes to the VWAP, it's very choppy and fake you out here. I don't know, I don't like it how it's moving. Damn, shop with the boom boom. Beautiful break and retest on Tesla. Shop with the boom boom. Looks like the SPY wants to retest all-time high. This is a very strong move. Why is moving like that? What's moving like that? What's moving? SPY. Let's see. XLE. Energy is very bullish. That's XLF. Financials too. No, F. No. H is the other one. No, so financials and energy are very strong. Well, I will say it depends what you're trading. If you're trading futures, definitely you need to be in and out fast. Options, I don't think so, not so much. But I don't trade options on SPY in the queue. I don't think it's worth it. Anyone bought the dip on Palantir? Thank you. See you tomorrow. Yeah, just levels. Nothing more. I use what you guys see on the screen. I don't think you really need order flow if you're good at reading the candlesticks. Like literally the candlesticks tell you if you're having a fake out or not. Most of the time, like I will say 90% of the time. Meta is trying to hold. If we can break the VWAP and hold 496, we could see a move higher till 510. But the only one that I love that is tech, it's Apple. Because it's been holding very, very, very good 233. The 233 level. TJ? Anyone bought the dip on Tesla? Tesla 246, 248 hold, beautiful. Look at that. What's going on? I think if I ever use order flow, it will stop me out from trading so many setups that I see. It would scare me seeing sellers or buyers. I think the best you can do for trading is keep it simple. Just use levels and the VWAP. That's it. I've been playing around a little bit with the MACD and the RSI when I see like oversold stocks on the bigger time frames, but I noticed that I still don't need it because when you see something, because most of the time it's at a very strong support or resistance. So again, I just don't need it. I don't even use volume. Like I see it like here and there. If I'm looking for to play a wedge, like a falling wedge or rising wedge, I think volume is very important only for that setup. I think it's the only time that I really see volume, but I still don't really look at volume at all. Bro, why I didn't buy the dip here? I was so close to do it. That is a beautiful, perfect gap close reversal here on SPY. Very clean gap close reversal. So this is what a gap close reversal is. Let's go with smaller time frames here. So SPY open with a gap below, pretty much filled the gap. It has a little bit more, but we can see it's using this resistance here as support, so it does gap, close, and then reversal. Very strong move on SPY. Now let's see how it's gonna react to all-time high. That's the next level of resistance. Yeah, definitely. I think that comes up with screen time. Just like I talk about how it's better right now to not trade tech and go for small caps or Dow stocks. That comes with having a lot of years trading. It's just screen time. But yeah, we're having an unbelievable week, or at least me. Had a very, very, very good options trading plays the past. I don't know. I will say I've been very good with options for a month now. Very, very green. But I think Netflix has earnings today or tomorrow or something like that. But it was yesterday. Shop, 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 shop. If shop closes the daily candle today holding 69, tomorrow I'm gonna wait for a little dip to 69 and buy even more contracts. When is we have earnings in 3 weeks, so yeah, 2 weeks out. Even though I already have 65 and 68 contracts for August 2nd, I think. Yeah, 3 weeks out. But I'm gonna buy more tomorrow if I see shop holds closing the day above 68. Oh, it's the 18th? Yeah, it's not worth it. The IV most likely is high, and Netflix is a wild card, and it's very expensive. Beautiful reaction here, but I don't know if I want to go against SPY. Can Palantir just go to 30 already? It's bouncing around a very small range. Nvidia coming back to life. Oh, Meta reacting here could be very interesting, because if Meta cannot hold yesterday's low, that's very bearish, and it looks like it's flagging, bear flagging. Yeah, it's reacting yesterday's low. It's having a lot of trouble there. I'm selling the weeklies on Disney. And I'm buying more for... No, I'm not gonna buy for next week more. I'm holding the next week's contracts. I also logged a little bit more profits on shop, and I'm gonna use... I want to log profit here in case closes under 69, and if it closes the daily above 69, I'm gonna use those profits to buy more contracts for next week. Yeah, for next week. Just in case we see an ugly reaction here on the Q. Same thing with here on SPY. I like this Tesla hold. It's kind of tempting me. I just don't like how the market is moving right now. The only thing that I like how it's moving is shop. Disney looks like it wants to pull down maybe to the VWAP. And I want to see Palantir breaking 29 and holding it. Disney contracts are very, very cheap. They only cost me 59, 50, 47. The meta bear flag is playing out. Maybe the Q is gonna do the same thing here. All big techs look exactly the same. Bear flag rejecting the VWAP. Yes, I swing trade options. In fact, I started the stream just swing trading options, yeah. Gracias, Luke. Palo Alto is looking like it's getting ready. Should I go for a Tesla? I really like this Tesla hold of the VWAP here. I like that it bounces out of our support level. I just don't love the daily. It's kind of choppy. Nah, I'm not going for that. Shop broke 69, is retesting 69. That could be another good entry for contracts for next week. Like I said, if shop can hold 69, that's pretty bullish. I need to do something with my sleep schedule. Like, I go to bed early, but I cannot fall asleep early. And then I'm always tired in the morning, obviously. And whenever I fall asleep early, I wake up at 12. And then I just can't fall asleep again. I don't know why. Yeah, because the Dow is moving crazy. That's why. What are the top? Let's see, what are the top Dow holding? Holdings. Let's see. Top 10. Oh, United, Golden, CAD. Oh, what is Home Depot doing? Yeah, I think it might be that. I'm working out a lot and I'm very tired. But yeah, I'm playing pickleball until like very late. And I'm freaking tired, but I just can't fall asleep early. In fact, I went for a run yesterday. Around 7. Because it's too hot here in Miami, so I need to wait until the sun is go down a little bit. And I was dripping wet. Oh, Salesforce is also part of the DAO. What's CRM doing? Let's see. Yeah, so HD, yeah, it's also running. But I don't see any entry right now. Let's see CRM. CRM is doing nothing. And for me, that's like stock play is done because, like I said, we had a very good 700% play on CRM, and for me it's done, just done. United, it's UNH, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's running, but it's too late. The buy was at 5:30. 5:30, and it has a very strong 550 resistance, so no trade for me there either. Yep. Pickleball is addicting. I cannot stop playing. I play for like 3-4 hours and I don't even notice. Until I shower and I eat and I'm like dead. Especially in this very hot weather in Miami. Ooh, what is that? Like the meme? Ooh, what is that? Okay guys, I think I'm done for today. Yeah. This is very slow, very choppy. I don't like how I fake you out here when above the VWAP, under strong move to the downside, beautiful bear flag, but very choppy. Meta bear flag was very, very, very clean. Tesla sangre. Let's see. It's still holding the view. I was doing nothing, but yeah, that's. I don't wanna trade Tesla because I don't like the daily. It's kind of choppy. Yeah. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful day for me with Shop. That was perfection. And GameStop. We have a very good one trade here with futures, and yeah, I'm pretty much done for today. I don't want to push it. I don't like how it's moving here. I don't like this move here also. It's not clean anymore. But yeah, like always, thank you guys for being here. very green day for me, hopefully for you guys too. And see you guys mañana. Bye. Oh, remember to like the video.